we are going to start third chapter, geometry, triangles. So first, whenever we are having any triangle, then if we mark ABC, then ABC are called internal angles. Then suppose these are DE, F, G, H, I. So that is D is forming linear pair with C, F is also forming linear pair with C, therefore D and F are called exterior angles. Similarly, E and G are forming linear pair with B, therefore E and G are also called exterior angles. And H and I are also forming a linear pair with A, and therefore H and I are also called as the exterior angles. And the angles, suppose I will mark it as P, Q and R, they are neither interior nor exterior. Followed? So if we have any triangle, we are having 6 exterior angles, 3 interior angles and 3 angles neither interior nor exterior. Followed? Now we are going to start with the first theorem, that is remote interior angle theorem. Name of the theorem is remote interior angle theorem. Followed? So here what is the statement for the theorem? That is the measure of an exterior angle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. What is the statement for remote interior angle theorem? The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of measures of remote interior angles. So we are going to draw a triangle in which we are going to show one exterior angle. So they have measured, they have given the names P, Q, R, and suppose this is S. So they have shown one exterior angle PRS. So here what will be the given? Here in triangle PQR, for triangle PQR, angle PRS is an exterior angle. So that will be the given. Now what we are going to prove? The measure of exterior angle is, that is measure angle PRS is equal to measure angle PQR plus measure angle QPR. Followed? So that is to prove. Here in the book they have not used measure, but you can write it as angle PRS is equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR. Followed? So this proof is very easy. So here we are going to write this as to prove, and that you have to write at the starting. Given you have to write triangle PQR is any triangle with angle PRS is an exterior angle. Followed? Now here when we are asked to write the proof, then here we are using the property that sum of measures of angles of triangle is 180 degree, that is angle PQR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ equal to 180. That is the first thing we are going to write. Here writing the reason they have written in the book, that is the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of all angles of triangle. Now here one more thing you can write, angle PRQ plus angle PRS is 180 because they are forming a linear pair. So angle PRQ plus angle PRS is equal to 180 degrees, linear pair. Now here this will be the second one. So if we have on the right hand side 180 degree, 180 degree, we can equate the left hand side with left hand side. So we can have angle PQR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRS. So here which is the common angle in this? Angle PRQ is the common angle. So eliminating this angle PRQ on both sides, we will have angle PQR. So don't show cancellation. You write here eliminating angle PRQ. Write like this. Eliminating angle PRQ on both sides. What we will have? Angle PQR plus angle QPR is equal to angle PRS. Angle PQR plus angle QPR equal to angle PRS. Followed? So that is the first theorem you have to remember, but it is very easy one. Only few steps are there, but you have to remember which properties you are going to use. So this is the theorem of remote interior angles of the triangle. Now here they have shown one more, that is property of an exterior angle of a triangle. So they have shown again a triangle PQR with angle PRS as an exterior angle. So the sum of two positive numbers A and B, that is A plus B, is greater than A and greater than B also. That is A plus B is greater than A and A plus B is greater than B. Using this inequality, we get one property related to exterior angle of the triangle. So here this is known as exterior angle theorem. So here they have not given the proof, but they have given only the statement, that is the measure of exterior angle is always greater than measure of its interior angle. So here this is exterior angles theorem. So what is the statement? Measure of exterior angle is always greater than its remote interior angle. So an exterior angle of triangle is greater than its remote interior angle. That means angle PRS is always greater than angle QPR and PRS is always greater than angle PQR, because just now we have proved, suppose here A and B are angle QPR and angle PQR, then A plus B is always greater than A and it is always greater than B. Now they have given you solved examples which are also very easy. So the measures of angles of triangle are in the ratio 5:6:7. So we are going to use the common multiple as x. Therefore the measures of angles of triangle are 5x, 6x, 7x. Total will become 18x. So 18x is equal to 180 degrees, x is equal to 10 degrees. Therefore the measures of angles of triangle are 50 degrees, 60 degrees and 70 degrees. Followed? Now example 2, observe figure 3.4 and find the measures of angle PRS and RTS. So here they have shown you the figure. I will draw the figure on board so that it will be clear to you. So this is obtuse angle triangle they have shown QRP, and they have drawn here one more triangle ST. So here they have given the measures of angle here 40, 30 and 20. This is given 20, this is given 40 and this is given 30. So here for triangle QRP, angle PRS is an exterior angle. Therefore major angle PRS will be 30 plus 40, that is equal to 70. By which theorem? By remote interior angle theorem. Sum of measures of angles of exterior angle is, measure of exterior angle is equal to sum of measures of remote interior angles. So 30 plus 40 will be here 70. Now in triangle TRS, this is 70, this is 20. So the angle RTS will be 70 by sum of measures of angles of triangle. 70 plus 70, 140, 140 plus 20, so 70, here it will become 90. 70 plus 20 will be 90, 90 plus 90 will be 180. So angle RTS is 90, so angle PTS will be also 90 by linear pair. So they have asked to find out angle RTS and PRS. So what is major angle PRS? Major angle PRS will be 70 and major angle RTS, this RTS, this will be 90 degrees. Followed? So that is the solved example. Now practice set. Now here example 3, example 4, they are omitted. Now practice set 3.1. In the figure 3.8, angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. So here they have shown one triangle ABC. And this is point D. So angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. Angle B is 40. Angle A is 70. Find major angle ACD. So major angle ACD is equal to major angle A plus major angle B. What is the reason? Remote interior angle theorem. Remote interior angle theorem. Followed? Therefore, major angle ACD equal to 70 plus 40, that will give you 110 degrees. Followed? So, major angle ACD will be how much? 110. In triangle PQR, angle P70, angle Q65, find major angle R. So, here we are going to use the property of sum of measures of angles of triangle. So, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180. Sum of measures of angles of triangle. Therefore, P70 Q65 plus R we have to find out equal to 180 degrees. So 135 plus angle R equal to 180 degrees. So angle R equal to 180 minus 135, 45 degrees. Alright. Third one, the measures of angles of triangle are x degrees, x minus 20 degrees and x minus 40 degrees. Find the measure of each angle. So again we are going to use the same property. Sum of measures of angles of triangle is 180. The same property we are going to use. So x degrees plus x minus 20 plus x minus 40 is equal to 180. So this will be 3x minus 60 equal to 180. So 3x is equal to 180 plus 60. 3x is equal to 240. X is equal to 80 degrees. So measures are 80 degrees. 80 minus 20, that is 60 degrees, and 80 minus 40, that is 40 degrees. Followed? So 80 minus 40, 40 degrees, 80 minus 20, 60 degrees, and 80 degrees are the measures of angles of triangle. Fourth sum, the measure of one of the angles of a triangle is twice the measure of the smallest angle, and the measure of the other is thrice the measure of the smallest angle. Find the measure of three angles. So again here we are going to solve this by method of assumption. So we are going to consider, let the smallest angle be x. Let the smallest angle be x. Therefore, the measure of one angle will be 2x. Measure of one angle 2x. And the measure of other is thrice. Measure of other angle 3x. Again, sum of measures of angle that property we are going to use. X plus 2x plus 3x equal to 180 degrees. So 6x is equal to 180 degrees. x is equal to 30 degrees. Therefore the measures are 30, 60 and 90 degrees. Alright, so that is sum number 4. Sum number 5 now. Figure 3.9 measures of some angles are given. Using the measures find the values of x, y, z. So that is also very easy sum. Only the last sum is the proof here, otherwise remaining are the problems. So they have given labeling is here R, here M, N, here it is X, here it is E, Y, again it is 100 degrees, here Z and 140. Alright. So here in the figure it is clear that angle Y plus 100 is equal to, that is angle TEN plus angle NEM is equal to 180 degree linear pair. Therefore 100 plus Y equal to 180 degrees linear pair. Therefore Y equal to 80 degrees. Z plus 140 equal to 180 degrees. Again the reason same, linear pair. Therefore Z is equal to 40 degrees. And X plus Y plus Z is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of angles of triangle. Therefore Y is 80, Z is 40, here it is X 180. So X is equal to 180 minus 120, that is 60 degrees. So these are the measures 80, 40 and 60 degrees. Now sum number 6. I will draw the figure. So this is ray AB. This is E, R, B. This is 70 degrees. So here they have given line AB parallel line DE. Find the major angle DRE. This you are going to find out. And ARE. So as here line AB parallel line DE. Followed. So here these are the alternate angles. Angle BAD is equal to angle ADE. Reason, line AB parallel line DE and AD transversal. So therefore what is the reason here? Alternate angles. So angle ADE equal to 70 degrees. Alright. Now this is given 40 degrees. Therefore in triangle DRE, angle ADE, that is angle RDE plus angle DER plus angle DRE 180. Again sum of measures of angles of triangles. So here DRDE is 70, DER is 40 plus angle DRE equal to 180 degrees. So angle DRE is equal to 180 minus 110, that is 70, and angle ARE plus angle DRE equal to 180 degrees, linear pair. Therefore 70 plus angle ARE is equal to 180. Therefore angle ARE 110 degrees. Followed. So what are the two answers? Angle DRE 70 degrees and angle ARE 110 degrees. बरोबर. So the next sums we will see in the next video.